Well, good morning, tax dodgers. The Fat Boy's back, and you are back fishing with the Fat Boy. Welcome to day 2 of Up the Creek. Special guest today from Bendigo, Bryso Stevo. Hopefully get him into a couple of fish today. Going to work over, morning Cocky, how are you? Going to work over a few new spots. Let's see how we go.
Okay, let's go.
Well, here we go, tax dodgers, we're into it. You get to look at Bryso all day today instead of me, so that's got to be a good thing.
Okay, let's go.
Oh, Bryso. Look at that. Good one, mate. Well done.
Okay, let's go.